a bad one. Probably like a 3-pounder, 3.5. I came down here yesterday morning. I didn't have my GoPro with me. I came down here yesterday morning real quick and I caught like, I think I caught like 3-4 pounders. I caught like fucking 4 or 5 3.5s like this right here. Like, that's a pretty good one. I'll take that any day of the week. Also, I stopped using swim baits because there's so many trees down there in the water, trees and rocks. And this thing looks just like a crawfish, little jig. So if I was anyone else and I had a river by my house, I didn't want to lose all my lures, I would use a jig. I probably spent fucking $100 on swim baits just to lose them all. Seriously, there's like a mountain of 3-pounders in here. This one might not be 3, this one might be like 2.5. This one's a little smaller. Still a nice one though. A little mark on him. I'll take it. Got him. The Slav largemouth. Spinnerbait. That thing is a slob too. He choked it.
That Taiwan was eating that bait.
Look at this thing.
Nice.
You probably look small because you're a mile away, but not a bad one.